euro American dollar. Let's have a quick look here. Let's do our analysis from scratch. So we'll go put on defaults. Everything's fresh and removed. Note that we are reacting at weekly demand. That's pretty important. So you've got to keep that in mind. That means that we are going to see a shift in flows, a gradual shift in flows. It's not going to happen overnight, but you'll slowly see a gradual increase in bullish positions when price reaches weekly areas of demand like this. Okay, so price is kind of reacting there. You're going to see the signs of this happening on the smaller time frames. And so, I mean, if you're using the currency strength histogram or the GFX, you're going to see something that looks like this. We've got price that's moving deeper, but the histogram is moving higher. What's that saying? Well, that is telling us that we're reacting at weekly demand. And so price is just seeking liquidity to drive price higher, which is what we're seeing here. And the histogram will be telling you the exact same story. So if we have a look at this, let's go to the 4-hour chart and zoom out. Okay, so we need to find these areas that have been removed. So we had this tested, removed, the area that did it. Let's have a look. The origin of the move that did it is here. But if you look at this, you can ask yourself, well, has price been back here before? It has. It certainly has. Where has it been back here before? It's been back here and here, of course. And so we want to move this higher. So the sell area would be here, here, and 2 times the size, so about there. And that would be an interesting area to sell. Also, you can see very clearly that here we had some tests at this area here. Tested once, twice, 3 times, and then price finally cut through it. So the area that cut that out is up here, okay, which is where our entry is to sell, or will be to sell. So we can plop that in there. It's going to put a new order. This is 7 microlots. I'm only risking 0.25% per trade, okay? And again, these are my trade ideas. This is my account that I'm trading. You don't have to do any of this. This is just me showing you what I'm doing. You don't want to do it, then don't do it. But don't take the trades based on what I'm doing, which are roughly going to result in some losses now and again, and come and say that it was my fault. Just you trade at your own discretion. This is super important. This is just me opening my books and showing you what I'm doing. Okay, so we'll put that in there. We'll turn on the stop thingy. Cool. Put it there. Okay, so this is 69. So this is where the target is. As 1 times and 2 times. It's going to be about there. So we'll leave that there and see what happens. I like that. It's very much. Aussie franc. See, we had this one is tested a few times. Price left here and we took out this supply that was tested a few times. The origin of the move is down here, but then we found, by the looks of it, an hourly demand. Yes, we have it right here. Just here, so we'll move this down there. Just below the pullback. And this is one that kind of pulled back and caused price to rally through. Okay, so we'll leave that in there.